Introduction to Learning Arabic with Drops.
Learning the Arabic alphabet can feel intimidating for beginners. The Drops app offers a modern approach using visual repetition and bite-sized lessons to make the process simple and engaging. In this guide, discover how Drops helps you quickly recognize, pronounce, and remember Arabic letters, turning what once seemed complex into an achievable goal.
Getting started, setting up Drops.
Begin your journey by downloading and opening the Drops app. Sign up, then select Arabic as your target language. Drops presents the full Arabic script, introducing you to each letter with clear visuals and sounds. The app's intuitive interface makes it easy to practice regularly, at your own pace, right from your smartphone or tablet.
Visual repetition, the key learning technique.
Drops uses visual repetition to boost memory retention. Each Arabic letter is shown alongside its pronunciation, with simple illustrations to reinforce its unique shape and sound. This technique helps you connect symbols with sounds, making the learning experience interactive and enjoyable, even if you have no prior knowledge of the script.
Practicing recognition and pronunciation.
The app guides you through recognizing and pronouncing every Arabic letter. Audio clips allow you to hear authentic pronunciations, and you're prompted to match sounds to symbols. Mini-games, flashcards, and writing exercises reinforce your progress. Consistent repetition ensures you confidently identify and pronounce each letter accurately over time.
Staying motivated and tracking progress.
Drops keeps you engaged with progress tracking and milestones. Setting daily goals and receiving positive feedback from the app helps you stay committed. Short, timed sessions prevent overwhelm, making it easy to fit learning into your routine. By the end, you'll be able to read and write the Arabic alphabet with greater confidence and ease.